In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds to your MacBook. So first things first, ensure that you have to put them into pairing mode. So to do this, simply remove them from the case. And then all you have to do is press and hold the Anchor logo on each earbud for about 3 to 5 seconds. And then that will be into pairing mode. Now once they're in pairing mode, all you have to do is click on the control center icon in the top right corner. And then from the options that appear, select the arrow next to the Bluetooth option. So click on it. And then from the options that appear, select Bluetooth settings. Now within the Bluetooth settings, your MacBook or your Mac will start scanning for any available devices. So as you can see, my earbuds have been discovered. All I have to do is simply click on connect and allow the pairing process to complete. And you can see that my Soundcore R50i NC earbud have been connected to my MacBook. So that's basically it on how to connect your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds to your Mac or your MacBook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.